In this ExcelGainz tutorial, I will show you how to use mathematical and statistical functions in Microsoft Excel, including round, rand, RANDBETWEEN, integer functions. For the round function, if you wanted to round 2 digits of this entry, I would write equals round, comma, 2. So if I hit the formula builder, you'll see that I'm evaluating C9. It's the number you want to round, and the number of digits is 2. So instead of 0.6789, it is now 0.68. So enter a random value using rand. Multiply that value by 100. And if you want to display the integer portion of that number, equals int, that's the whole number. And the reason it keeps changing is this is a volatile function, so if I hold F9 or hit F9 a few times, you'll see that it's changing the rand formula, which in turn changes the multiply value by 100 and the display the integer portion only. So if you want it to be as a single formula entry and not go through those steps, you can use equals RANDBETWEEN by selecting a bottom and a top. So I'm going to select it between 1 and 100 and hit F9, and it reaches the same result of a whole number. Here's a paste special trick. If you wanted the months to go horizontally, you can hit Control-Alt-V, transpose, and now it's along this row horizontally. And another trick, if you were to select B21 to G26, write equals RANDBETWEEN 1 to 100 and hold Control and hit Enter together. That formula is now in all those cells we selected. So those are some mathematical and statistical functions in Excel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.